Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by isolating where the yellow border appears and why. Open OBS and reproduce the issue. First, select the problematic source, then toggle visibility while watching the program monitor to catch when the border appears. Once identified, right-click the source and open Properties. Make sure you know whether it is Display Capture, Window Capture, or Game Capture, because each handles overlays differently. Also, update OBS and your GPU driver. This avoids driver-related color artifacts before you change filters or capture methods. Next, make precise configuration changes to remove the yellow outline. Change the capture method in Properties. For display capture, toggle bit BLT versus DX11, or for window capture, test different modes. This often stops border artifacts. Then open filters for the source and disable color correction, LUT, or chroma key temporarily to see which one causes the halo. Once you find the culprit, adjust thresholds and similarity, or replace the LUT with one that matches the scene's color space to prevent yellow fringing. Finally, confirm the fix by recording or using the studio mode preview at your target resolution and frame rate. Watch for the yellow edge during movement and scene transitions. If the border returns, try switching to an alternate capture type or disable third-party plugins, because incompatible plugins can inject color borders. Make sure to restart OBS and, if necessary, reinstall the GPU driver. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing else works, capture with a different app to verify the issue. Is OBS specific before deeper system changes?
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.